video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Sling TV. So you can first head over and then make sure to install Sling TV onto your actual device. Once you have it installed, you can proceed to open it. So to change the language, you can do so by changing the subtitles or caption onto the actual video that you're watching. So head over and then watch a video on Sling TV, and from in there you should be able to find an option to change the subtitle. It's usually called CC or closed caption. You can turn them off and choose the language or subtitle language under the CC settings if multiple are available. Do take note as well that not all Sling content has multiple subtitle languages. Often only English options are available, but you can also choose other subtitles that are available under the liking for that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thanks for watching.